Okay, so now you've started experimenting a little bit more with using your left and right hand together, I want you to start being creative. So we haven't yet included any chords. So what I'm going to show you is a way that you could start adding chords with your right hand, but it's open for you to try some things out. The left hand, however, does start using chords. If you look over here, it's got this cha, 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 cha sort of rhythm. But in the right hand, I want you to add some chords in. So that's 2 notes or more, wherever you feel. I'm going to show you one way that you could do this.